Okay, so we saw something kind of unusual today. Let me close it real quick. You can hear what it is. You can maybe guess what it is. I didn't know they still made these. The opener itself is not that unusual. It's a Powermax, so I guess it's like the new accelerator. But what it is the door. I have never seen a door made like this before. This is a first for me. No real branding on it. Let me go ahead and open it, and I'll show you how it looks from the outside in a second. As they say, quick, fast, and in a hurry. So I'm just assuming this is like the new accelerator, but the door's pretty cool. I'm gonna close it and walk around outside. There's a people door over there. Okay. And now I'll go around. And this is how it looks from the outside. So